Hello guys, and welcome to this video where I'm going to be showing you how to manage multiple events on Evite. So the first thing you have to do is to go to your Evite, log into your Evite page. So once you're logged in, it should appear this way. So to manage your events, click on your profile picture on the top right corner here. It brings you to a drop down menu to choose from. Now go and choose the my invitations option here. Now you should bring out a list of all your invitations, the ones you've been invited to and the ones you've created. So once you have done that, to manage all your events, you can now click on manage events individually for each of them. This way you have an overview of all the events that you have in your space. So this is how to actually manage your events on Evite. If this video has been helpful to you in any way, guys, let me know in the comment section, and I'll see you guys in the next one.